Hello, my name is Omer Ozturk, and today I will show you how to draw a linear line on a Cartesian plane using the gradient and y-intercept method. Now, to know how to draw a linear line on a Cartesian plane, you must first understand the equation. Now, in the equation, m is on the right of the equal sign. Every single number on the right of the equal sign is the gradient. But this is only for the number that's right after. So, m is the gradient, and the gradient is how steep or how slope the line is. Now, the b on the very right is the y-intercept. This is where it intercepts with the y-axis on the Cartesian plane. The x is the variable. This is what gives us the answer. Now, as we look onto the right, we see this. Y equals 2x plus 9. So 9 would be the y-intercept. The 2 would be the gradient. Now, the gradient. The gradient is 2, right? But it's easier if you write 2 over 1. And we have to write 2 over 1 so we can understand the gradient. Now, 2 in here is 2 rise. We rise 2. I'll explain to you a moment later. And the run is 1, so it will be 1 run. Now, 2 rise. This means we need to rise from 0 up 2, and then we have to run 1. But if we were to do this as a negative number, say for example -2, then we'd have to go down 2, because it'll become -2 over 1. So it'll be -2 rise, which means you have to go down 2 and run to the right. For run, you always run to the right. Let's move on to our first example. So our equation here is y equals 4x plus 6. So let's first plot down our y-intercept on 6, which would be here. Now our gradient. Our gradient is 4, so it is 4 over 1. So our rise is always at the top, so it's rise 4 from the y-intercept. Then we would move on. So let's rise 4 from the y-intercept. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the run, like I said before, we always run to the right. You can never run to the left. So let's put the run dot here. So that is our final destination. So now we connect our y-intercept plot dot with our final dot, and when we connect it, we have our linear line. This line doesn't look so straight, but if this was drawn with a ruler, it would be a linear line. Now, as you can see, we have done it, and we first start with the y-intercept. We plot it down where it is. So, and then we move on. We rise up 4. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. We went up to 10. Then we moved 1 to the right, which is 1, because it was a run. Now let's get on to our last question. Our equation is y equals 9x plus -10. Let's start with our y-intercept. Our y-intercept is -10, so down here. Now we rise up 9, because our gradient is 9, and 9 is equal to 9 over 1. So it's 9 rise and 1 run. but we have to do it in order. So we rise first, then run. So let's go up 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And move to the right 1, because runs are always to the right. So our final dot is there. Now let's connect our y-intercept and our final dot. If I could draw straight, it would have been much easier, but that's not the case. So this is our linear line. I hope you understand how to draw without gradient and y-intercept method. I hope you liked it. Please like, subscribe, and peace.